As we're entering the holiday season, do you ever think that maybe your mind deserves a holiday? Well, we do. And that's why we've declared December 27th to be Unboxing Day, the day that we not only think out of the box, where we unbox our mind and give it the holiday it truly deserves. And in Unboxing Day, we're going to do a number of things. Number one is we are going to unpack the gifts of 2022. We're going to imagine a 2023 that is the best year ever. Then we replace our old, tired thinking with new possibilities that are aligned to that best year ever image. And finally, we predict the future by predicting what changes in behaviors our new thinking is going to make for us. Gift yourself the best year of your life by taking a mental holiday and unboxing the limiting beliefs of your past and creating the mental space for new approaches for the year ahead.